Shabbos everyone. This week is Parashat Bamidbar. We're starting a new sefer. It's interesting, they asked me one, there's a joke. What cigarette do you used to smoke in the desert? So I looked how many psukim you have. You have Kent, 159. You know, the cigarette's Kent. I thought I was joking. How many? But anyhow, one of the major questions that starts in this week's parasha, that the Umas Oilom have a big time that the Rebbe says. Why? Why HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave the Torah a count, the Jewish people, 3 times, and the Gentiles, he never counted. And really, why the Gentiles, they feel like, is the discrimination. Why it's not equal? And more than that, the Jews are the minority, and we're the majority. We should go after the majority, not after the minority. Chazal tell us more with the Zoret of base, Hashem Misir Zorach Lomod. HaKadosh Baruch Hu went from nation to nation and wanted to give the Torah. And everybody had a nice reason why not to accept the Torah. It says Luisigzo, we have to steal, it says Luisigza, we have to kill. Everybody had a different reason why it's hard for them to accept. But the Jews said, nah, 7 Yeshua. What did that mean? First we'll do and then we'll hear. They didn't go into the details. The details only, we have to, when somebody's a slave, so he accepts himself everything. That has no question. Anyhow, but the question is, what are you going to answer in that? So it's interesting that the Prima Godim, in the beginning of Lista Aroives, he explains, when you have one piece of meat, that it's kosher, that fell into a big pot of many meats of treifa, so it's a big chakir in the achronim. That makes it what? That makes it to become like them. So even if you ate a little bit, it's a problem. Oh no, it's still, the meat is kosher. Just you got mixed. So if you eat kazayis, then it's also. The Prima Godim is married. So, why we don't say Cherabim La'atos? You see that when we have that concept of Cherabim La'atos, when somebody has doubts, so then you follow the majority. Or when somebody knows clear, and it's very obvious to him, there's no question of Cherabim La'atos. So Mila, I said the same thing also over here. Am Yisrael, everybody knows exactly what is the path. There's no question. So Mila, we don't have to follow. We don't have all those questions because for us the way of Hashem is clear. And when we know we are a slave and we have to follow whatever the footstep of Hashem, we have no questions. We have no doubts and no questions. So then this week, Parashat Bamidbar, it's a starting of a new path to tell us wherever in the Torah Kedusha is clear and it's B'neimus, Be'echada, Kenoyam, and all the paths is for sure. So then we know everything is Neimus, merely everything falls in, there's no question. Have a good Shabbos. Shabbat, Shalom, and Mevorach.